What's up guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're gonna be changing up the whole look of this Miata. We're finally getting rid of these eBay taillights and I copped a hardtop for 350 bucks. Let's do it.
All right, hello. So today we're installing the taillights, as you already know, and also we have the hard top right there. So to install Miata taillights, this is going to be a strenuous.
Like this is actually probably one of the hardest things you can do on a car.
Yeah, it's ridiculously time-consuming, hard.
Well, most of the reason is you have to find your 10 millimeter.
Yeah, you have to find a 10 millimeter. You have
when you
to
find
a ratchet that fits the 10 millimeter. After that, it's quite literally 4 10 millimeter bolts, and both headlights are, or the taillights are out. So yeah, this should take you 30 seconds to do.
I actually meant to bring my impact home.
Yeah, because you need impact when doing 2 bolts per side.
Well, it's faster, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
These aren't even like tight. Those are just hand loose.
Even better. So this thing, actually, Quinn got it as a.
We'll tell a story on how I got it in a bit. Like it's a good deal.
Yeah, Quinn got it as an amazing deal, and we'll let him tell the story after he's done with that. So satisfying.
Okay, so there were only 3 nuts holding this one on.
Good. And a 10.
Yeah, that about that much effort. For sale, pay shipping and they're yours. If you pay shipping, I'll send them to you.
All right, I don't know why, but Quinn like actually hates these.
I hate those.
I don't necessarily mind them, but they are kind of, you know, from eBay in China. So yeah, if you want them, just pay shipping.
These are from Carbon Miata. These are their sequential LED turn signal taillights, smoked version, because I think a little bit better with the hard top. 350 bucks, actually not a bad price for LED taillights.
You paid the same amount for taillights as you did
for my top, yeah.
top. All right, let them know how you got the top.
So at the shop I work at, next door there's a bar, right? And I just got in this car. I've been driving to work every couple days. Lady comes up, she's like, hey, I got a hard top for my Miata if you want it. And at first I was like, you know what, I don't need to be spending $1,200 on an NA top, because good luck finding one of those in general. She goes, no, I just want it out of my garage. Like, really? She said if I pay her 350 bucks, it's mine. So I paid her 350 bucks and I got a original Mazda hardtop for an NA Miata in red.
Sweet, and it's actually in really good condition too.
Yeah.
There's some paint chipping just like down here, but
I'm not even worried about it.
Honestly, you can't really see it without, you know, doing a double take. A little bit right there, but
for $350?
yeah, when they were originally like $1,200. Cool.
No, I tried to look last night. I couldn't find one for an NA.
Oh,
like at all.
Even better.
Cool.
All right,
let's put her in.
Wait, hold on. You gotta peel it. Gotta peel it.
That was actually a really satisfying click.
Yeah. Sticks out a good bit more than the other ones.
Yeah, it's got like a face to it.
It's in there. That's pretty freaking sick, I'm not gonna lie.
Why am I? Oh, those are my headlight buttons, not my hazard buttons.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Makes it look so good.
Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. Thanks, it's not heavy. How do you think it looks?
I love it.
Sam?
Approved.
I think it was pretty sick. Thank you so much for watching. I think this turned out awesome. These taillights are a really good upgrade for this car, and a hard top is definitely worth it. Everyone says when you get a hard top, you don't take it off anymore, and I kind of agree. It's really nice to have.
Yeah, I love it. Completely transforms, and especially the back end of the car.
Oh yeah.
New tails. I'm kind of iffy about the hard top, honestly. Just with it being a Miata, I'm kind of partial to the roadster life, but
oh yeah,
it'll grow on me, and I mean,
driving it is nicer, like just every day. I've been dailying this car for about a week now, or I've been dailying this car since I've had it, but I dailied it all week, and having the hard top on it was a lot nicer because we've had sporadic thunderstorms, things like that.
True.
I don't want to worry about the soft top. Soft top's nice, but just having the peace of mind it's not going to leak is nice.
True. Yeah. I like it. He likes it. Sam, what do you think? You like it?
I like it.
Sam likes it. Cool.
If you like it, hit the subscribe button. If you don't like it, hit the subscribe button. Just hit it anyways. We have wheels coming in for this video, or coming in soon. I cannot wait to show you guys them. Should be in about a week or so.
They look mint.
They're
it's
gonna
already
look
sitting
really
on coilover, so we're gonna dump it with the wheels. Gonna look good. So make sure to stay tuned.
Comment what kind of mods you want us to do this car next. Like, subscribe, stay original out there.
See you.